Well, this is on another matter related to suppression of documents needed by this committee. Actually, Mr. Chairman, na mag-umpisa pa lamang ang hearing, nakita natin na masyadong shocking ang mga detalye pertaining to pneumonia. And so, because of these shocking statistics, na sa pneumonia, nagbayad tayo ng 13 billion, 700,000 ang cases, although sa DOH ay 400,000 lamang, I requested that the claim records regarding pneumonia, dialysis, and OFW benefit utilization shall be presented to Congress. I was informed this morning by Dr. Bernadette Lico na willing silang ibigay sa akin yung data. Unfortunately, the issue is that sa akin lamang ibibigay at hindi sa ibang miyembro ng committee. And furthermore, pinapipirma ako ng Philhealth ng mutual non-disclosure agreement na hindi ko pwedeng i-disclose. Kaya ang sinasabi ko, Mr. Chairman, hindi ko naman malaman kung bakit kailangang isurpress ang dokumento. Sa katunayan,
Honorable
sa
Barzaga,
data...
mabilis lang po. Pinapapirma kayo ng non-disclosure agreement?
Yes, this one. Mutual non-disclosure agreement. So, hindi ko ma-share to sa aking kaibigan na si DS Marcoleta.
Sino po ang gumawa niya? May I know who gave the document to Honorable Barzaga with a non-disclosure agreement?
Dr. Bernadette Lico.
Sino po?
Dr. Bernadette Lico. She is the one always giving the documents to us.
Mr. Chairman, since yung sinasabi po ni Congressman Barzaga is non-disclosure, can we subpoena those documents to be submitted in this?
No, wait, Honorable Fernandez, that is not the case. Those documents should be supplied to us, and no individual member of Congress should be made to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Honorable Barzaga, please continue.
That's my point, Mr. Chairman. Kaya siguro sabihin niyo na po, Mr. Congressman Barzaga.
Malinaw naman, nasa Section 13, Paragraph F, ng Data Privacy Act of 2012, the processing concerns such personal information. Ang exception is that when it has to be provided to the government or public authority. And this is not the first case na nangyari ito sa Philhealth. Noong nagre-require ang dokumento sa Philhealth, ang isang abogado pertaining to the names of those involved sa dialysis, nag-issue rin ang National Privacy Commission granting the request of a private lawyer. Kaya hindi ko malaman kung lahat ng government agencies na hinihingi natin ng record, pati ang pangalan ng mga taong nag-claim ay hindi maibibigay under the Data Privacy Act, our constitutional mandate to conduct investigation in aid of legislation would be useless. It would be meaningless. Kaya gusto ko lang malaman sa Philhealth, sino ba ang abogado ng Philhealth na nag-advise na kinakailangan kong pumirma sa Mutual Non-Disclosure Agreement? At dito sa Mutual Non-Disclosure Agreement, yung datang hinihingi ko is only for me. I cannot share it with the other members of this committee.
Will anyone from legal kindly reply? Attorney Del Rosario. Ngayon lang ho ako nakarinig na investigasyon at nagkakaroon ng non-disclosure agreement. Kanina sa Civil Service Commission, ayaw ibigay yung impormasyon. Ngayon naman, nagbibigay ng impormasyon, may NDA. Honorable Remulla.
Mr. Chairman, is Attorney De Rosario present in Zoom?
Yes, Honorable Remulla. Yes,
Mr. Chairman, good morning.
Attorney De Rosario, you recognize?
Yes, sir. I did not give that advice. I was put under preventive suspension since last week, so I have no knowledge of that particular incident. And it has been my position that all documents that are being requested by either House and by the law enforcement agencies should be given to give way to a thorough investigation of all issues concerned. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Attorney Labe, would you know anything about this?
Mr. Chairman, it did not pass my office because the instruction from the PCO Morales, all documents requested in both houses should be given in full effect without non-disclosure agreement. We understand that, of course, the Congress can summon any documents.
Okay, before you continue, sa ating mga kasama, alam niyo naman po na si President Morales may sakit no, hindi makakatagal. But at any rate, he's now with us. If we can recognize the President and Chief Executive Officer of PhilHealth, General Morales, magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Good morning.
Yes, General, yung pong binanggit ni Honorable Barzaga, meron daw po mga dokumento na ibinigay pero ito po'y pinapapirmahan sa kanya under a non-disclosure agreement.
It might be an oversight, Mr. Chairman, because but it does, of course, it does not cover requirements of the House of the Congress or the Senate or any government agency, because I issued instructions that we will be open and provide all documents necessary for any government agency. But I think that is applied to some requests for individuals and government organizations for documents from it.
Thank you, General Morales. So, klaro po to. General Morales, I know that you have limited time. Kamusta po kayo?
I'm glad to be here, Mr. Chairman, to be able to participate and contribute to this effort to improve PhilHealth. Maraming salamat po.
Kamusta po ang inyong kalusugan sa ngayon, General?
I'm being prepped ho because I'm going scheduled a chemo session this Friday, so I'm preparing for that po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Opo. On behalf of the committee, General Morales, we will be praying for your recovery. We will take this opportunity, General, if you don't mind, habang nandito po kayo, alam po namin limitado ang inyong oras. Gusto ko po munang i-recognize si Honorable Ace Barbers kung may katanungan po sa PhilHealth.
Mr. Chair, I was told that I will yield the first slot to Congressman Ron Salo. If he's not yet here, I can go on with my questions.
Yes, because I was worried about your time. You have another committee hearing, but I can go to the Honorable Salo.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I will yield the first slot to Congressman Ron Salo.
Honorable Salo is recognized.
Thank you very much, Chairman. In as much as you've already called Congressman Ace Barbers and as much as he has a meeting, as I understand, I will respectfully yield to him.
So I will go ahead. Okay, maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, ang akin pong katanungan, umpisahan ko muna dito kay si Attorney Del Rosario. Attorney Del Rosario, you're here, no? Attorney Del Rosario. He was here earlier.
Good morning, sir. I was having problems with unmuting.
How are you
Mr.
feeling
Chair, magandang
today?
magandang umaga po. Congressman Barbers, good morning, sir.
Okay, are you okay? Okay ka ba matanong ng mga konting tanong, attorney?
Okay lang, sir. My BP has stabilized, but I'm monitoring it. Thank you, sir.
Sige. Ilang taong ka nang nasa PhilHealth?
Sir, since 1998, so that's almost 22 years, more or less.
22 years.
Yes, sir.
When did you pass the bar?
Sir, I passed the bar in 2016. I took the bar in 2015.
So, may I know, attorney, kung saan po yung inyong undergraduate course?
I studied at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. I graduated in 1995. I took my law studies at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, College of Law, Mr. Chair.